Three Bulls and a Lion. Three bulls were thick and thrang thegither, twa werena seen withoot the other. To the lion this was a scunner, he wanted yin to be his dinner. Said his pal the fox, dinna be a plonker, use Machiavellian concept, divide and conquer. I'll gie to them some Chinese whispers, say that their alliance will disperse. And when you mak them your bill of fare, you'll mind and gie to me my share. Bzzzt, Sir Bull, the fox did say, I heard your pals blethering yesterday. They say that you smell awful bad, and if you went awa they would be glad. Says the Bull, they said that of me. Well, that's the last of me they'll see. When this Bull went off on his ain, did he no traipse through the lion's domain? Stalk, rush, chomp and crunch, that's the lion got his lunch. When he and his mid-meal naps, the fox come by and ate the scraps. The scenario was the same for the other twa. The fox made each look a Johnny Raw. Neither yin has been seen since, all thanks to Machiavelli's prince.